Alfred Mugambi. Feni Kerubo. Nabande. Tutarire asamagacho ahema hospital. Egorova ya kabiri guse aka esimi enamba yiga erio komanya amange. Enoti istana na ibere. Enoti eyemo.
Asante sana mwanchomo tegereri we radio nyasayale. Niko ando chenga togerere tele chi program chite kero chabutuke daika emerogo etatu na isano iguru yechisa ibere chabono morgoba ekron tagete tolete omurubuli bwechisemi kuruiga ase studio. Litukulia reno ni mbwato mageni gase studio kurukunga Professor Constantino Matoke Cross University elia ya Alukenya oikirega se studio chikukwanira magana yechisemi segeka kiensa eyemo ere mutweno yo chikoleto murubuli yo ni gonkuru kwa Denizado kuseko wancha omo Kenya igasiriria sele kubatirwe ngobye miemo na bire chinuta chenki andi akakura twale swali igoro yechisemi tukuchikukwanira igoro ye school ya Alukenya University nabo kututumira gocha sena mbeli yetu ya Butambe notisana ibere isano eyemo ibere inye eyemo isano nemo nabo kututumira gocha gabo elinde tosomeli swali lyao ande yake uratwale ase emrogoba eyeiga ya abono. Professor karibu sana nase studio kwani yangu abategereri.
Mbiamono omutangazaji mwano minto yonyanjite mono. Ande kwa niaba ya Radio Sayal, kwa niaba ya University of Kenya abagusi ababetete chingongo chionsi chiagusi chingongo chionsi chia Kenya ango bakwania nga wairire buya. Merry Christmas to a change box. It's not about boxing, but you exchange boxes. You exchange gifts. Songo waga te wang boxing, but it's not a boxing. No, we exchange to a colire. Na ende nkagere temna nyasatu anjite. Wetraso mwano ya Yeso. Na walibaro wa Islamu. Wetraso Muhammad. Abara wa Hindu. Na nyasaya chino mbali mbali. Abalibako wike kusi. Nkagerete nga matukaya atigaire arama kongu lakini na rusi oborwaire esemebere yaito nabe komu ikomo jeno esemebere yaito tigetu nyara tukotambo ko mwako moya na ndototebe nga hallelujah totebe sana. So I wish everybody in advance once again not only a Merry Christmas, we wish you a happy new year and a prosperous 2022. Mbiabono mutangazaji.
Asante sana Professor school ke yokurukurwa.
Currently, I'm a businessman, but a very good businessman. And the business, business is not about the business you use it. Even if it's road transport, it's business. Even if it's agriculture, it's business. So business encompasses almost everything. Currently, I'm working as a vice chancellor since 2019 to date, the University of Kenya. Lukenya is one of the youngest universities among the 72 universities. Shire legally welcomed to participate, or welcomed and permitted to disseminate, transfer, use all those terms. Education esa abana bake mpaka abantu abanene in Kenya. Biamono.
Asante sana uyu akurukunga Professor Constantine Nyamboga matoke nere tochi kukwana nere gari FIS Chancellor ye University elia ekurukunga Lukenya nimanyete abande onye nalyo entunda entanga ni wategereire ase umurubilyo oyoiga Lukenya University Lukenya University ngaye gutuka toerezere balia ba tuniri ase entunda entanga ni Professor
Biamono Sodok omwana omuntu nagotenga ngwanjete kankoroche maitenga mangana mbiyale Lukenya University kegotoka ase county Makueni batigere be in between Makueni county na Taita Taveta igera sakuru kwanga Kibwesi East eye chiete mpaka Savo National Park lakini atore sakuru kwanga Savo East National Park na okonyora Lukenya University ere ange no muchio moneno ororo kwa Kambu oyonde okoro kwanga Mutito aliasekero muntu kana mpasako yandulie nyama yani ngata weta mutataragiriti from there to the university is 30 kilometers yo it set on Earth River set on the other plateau na the national park yekoro kwa Savo the only university that stands on Karoko genda ime okanga you are in another world of Europe.
Ikona se erengia ebwata mazingira maya nakyo okoyera okoboko
bona atrojina mu birona munolo tene chimboga nkulyo ekarokuli chimboga it means you're in a very good place.
Yes ngikiragira umuntu achikosomera university yiga utatiga mazingira ayo
one thing university yo nebwata characteristics nyingi sana. One, there's a lot of peace, there's a lot of morals. Jikoro kwanga chiko build ya obongo bumwana.
Yes.
In terms of spiritual, in terms of developing mind yo mwanafunzi.
Yes.
In terms of content, and then of course is the most affordable university currently in Kenya. So we work as a community, and if you look at the dictionary, communities, people living together happily. So 24 hours of the day, 27 hours of the day, if they are there, we are always together with our students.
Yes.
So we nurture them to be people of good character. And the advantage is that all of us are residential. University,
yes,
including myself, including a watchman. All of us stay in the university. Nabana wants to have Dimitri. That makes also a difference.
Yes.
University it means we do more of counseling. Apart from counseling, we also run their characters. We engage even those who may not understand during the day.
Yes.
We are open from 8 to 10 at night. All of us leave for our residential places at 10.
Wakwanira mangana yoko worship yani mangana yoko sasima school yigo si university eyiga ya Lukenya niko mole maybe aba SDA aba Catholic ko sekiro monto mubanjire to kusasima kolengana n'ekidini kyabo
mbya mono Sodok komboli swali eri nane kwanya komboli rinde nkelinga I did say na university okogenda and you won't regret wa mwana wa chiro abana walibonzi pipa chiro they become very good marketers of us. Why? We have freedom of worship, and I could say it's the only university that has set aside an area. If you are a Seventh Adventist, oko worship. If you are a Catholic, oko worship. If you are a Muslim, oko worship. If you are a Hindu, oko worship. You can try me.
Yes.
What we have done, because we have a big land, around 2,100 acres, we have set aside for religious worships, and among them, no kuagacha. I will tell you for free without contradiction. I want to go to Seventh Adventist. I would be building their church now within the university. But I couldn't their place of worship.
Okay. Then
Catholic, we have done the same.
Yes.
Abantu who are ahead of us, now Islam. Already mosque.
Yes.
Because they have built a very nice mosque. Of course, funds are not ours. when you are building such a religious places, the university only comes in to add you one or two things. Initially. So the Muslims have put a very good mosque for themselves. Yoba Konyirene government ya United Arab Emirates partly because we have so many Muslim students, about 200.
Yes.
Babakuru Northeastern, more so in Mandera. There are so many.
Ige school ya ni Gose University ige Lukenyi kibwata wanafunzi abangi ukira boni kambale ngabare university
when I joined there, I will tell you for free, we were about 400 because management was a problem.
Yes.
But when I took over, I can proudly say without contradiction, currently in Mbwata wana 5,000 plus.
Kai.
Yes. And I will assure you this year I'll get 2,000 from the government.
Okay.
That goes to 7,000. And that's a big number to manage.
Na and nabo we aliganeti kugera magana accommodation no bazi chumba chisa ina si university iga.
There could be the only university in Kenya agenda. Olingerelie.
Yes.
Olingerelie na magacha boka. If you go to the hostels, I will assure you no COVID muna ya chagete. It matters become even better.
Yes.
Ikatungaini. Tokagacha according to the health standards or health protocols. So every hostel or keep it take 3 students.
Yes.
And with space. So Avana Nabaja today I'll assure you 5,000.
Hey.
I have told you we have land. And the financial management is not a problem. We'll always get so based on the number before they come on board. I do the infrastructure immediately.
Okay.
Because I work closely with the board of trustee and the council. So long as I have students, the money is not a problem. And I will assure you, between last year and this year, I've done 4 hostels for ladies, 4 hostels for men. And all of them have halls, tokoroka common rooms. As wako and our TV, Abaswati, back and our TV and Samoyabo, Abamura, Bara TV and Samoyabo. So there is no commotion. I'm not saying Ambaliko interact, but we have just done so because the hostels of boys are separated from the hostels of girls, like another university. So in the process, you're always getting a Avana waito mbabwate for leisure, entertainment, they get entertainment very easily. Yes.
Na ekra mamenye time ni chibesere ngabagwa kana kira semester.
I did as I told you, we are the most affordable. Ekra mamenye time is 6,000 shillings. So yes. It's about 6,000 shillings. Tokorwa. So every other time, the 6,000 shillings Vakorwa is more than enough. But no, a few who stay in our university outside the main campus.
Yes.
But they are our own infrastructure to our Keresco. But there are few who are very difficult to manage. You know, it's about you and your child.
Exactly.
Almost impossible. The best we can do, we cannot send them away. We normally tell them, let us isolate you from the rest. Where is Kali? Mwangira kogende kanisa, where is Kali? Nama ruokoli, where is Kogari? Kwanyore, for example, mwana, ayabono kwa vile parent, where is Koga? Where is Kogari? So we have a specific place for them. All of them pay 6,000 when it's Kabu, because some of them, although we call them private, they are it's our infrastructure. To specifically meant for them. So that Jekarawagoja University, they don't come from very far. Yes.
Okay, asante sana.
So it's 6,000.
Oh, 6,000.
Yeah, also Koraga Korokwa is about your pocket because the 6,000 Koraga Kokoleti Koyo. Average it means the 3 months work or 4 months because the semester is 15 weeks. 13 Chokosoma. 12, Ibere Chiamatem. So if you look at that, it's 3 months are gone. And then there will be another 2 weeks up. 3 weeks up. Comfortably, you want to go to me at 2,000 Korara, 2,000 to 2,000. So they pay 6,000. The advantage they have is that we don't force them.
Okay.
We have the main hall where everybody can eat here, university, where I can also go. But we have also other small corners.
Yes.
We call managing the students. We call them student eateries or at a student center. which they manage. They get rent, and the rent goes to the student council. The student council,
yes.
Which has its own office, and then they have their own account. So any income generating they make from such kind of facilities we have given them,
yes.
Achikoba support in many of their activities. So our Nafuza currently we have about 5 more of those kind of cafeterias. They cater for accommodation of about 50. Sometimes I enjoy going there because it's cheaper even than my own main hall as to Kuragira. So you can get food between a meal can be between 30 and 150.
Kwa hiyo tire kwa mbele bia.
Nego tetoa Kenyama, nego tetoa Kenya wa Kenya ngira ya harusi walio sana. Wala huko 150.
Na huko 150
meat. Like meat.
Asante sana Professor Constantine matoke kurase University Elia Lukenya nere togende tukwana nere ya masemo aiga se studio krondo chinga chaptu de Cameron getara guri yichi sebire chebo mroba abwasate birenga university gwikiraboni ganige bwate abanafunzi chiribu isano na babwate libagali saine ligo accommodate abana wikano ne chiribu ikomye kogerote birenga nale assuredinga na bara chikonyora abanafunzi wetani chiribu ibere nande nabari kaneti wetania ekerengo ekyo kagerete gwikira aboniga ase engencho Lukenya University ne university gosengati university gosi university chire chikorwa chikosi chingiya guchesa bano baito naye buno tekerete abo chise chiga chabono morogoba naye chora Lukenya University iro mwana ororo kwa igule nga nonyene keramenyete ime chibesa gwaka na kiro mutinyi ne chiri bwibere so kale ase semester onyene tangani ya kabiri ya gatatu semester gigotwara mitinyi tatu gwaka na chiri bwisano nemo kiro so it means nga kiro mutinyi ne chiri bwu ibere ogwaka ase omwana olia omenyete imeko garabana angebonsi no bamenyete imebuna achika goteba nande tubasogotwara wasiwasi ende yogoteba nga kachire gali nyakaro mu Adventista ga kugenda galia ngochele ko sogo St Catholic ngochele ko sogo St PG babwate freedom yoko worship onde bwensi onye no mo Islam na bakogenda chiko sasimege Islam kiaje kiro monto na ile obosibole bogokora keria atagete gokora ase university lakini anende mono igento bagoteba nga ankelinga kumwana ga chiroro chimbu chani go chikolendwa kakoirana nabo ale umwanafunzi omuya nado bwate amasomo professor nyuma tutaragenda ale timanyetinga nkosiki chiri mokonana ase Lukenya University mana go chikugure namba yesimi toigwe ngaki abategele baitu bwata maswali chise chiga chebono morogoba
mbia mono sodo kyo mutangazaji korwaiga studio ito egesa Kisi I mean studio ito ya Radio Sayar Kisi na your brother TV courses so we have courses chikorid into a degree in education a masters of education about masters of education. This is done to full time year per semester to open distance learning. Both of them, a difference between the two full time occur 60,000. Ekaru open distance learning occur 40,000. Then ekaru okora school based ye holiday ya walimu na nekero nindero mananga walimu na bakumitinga ibago chikosoma. Since COVID they have not had it easy, but we have made it easier for them. Those who about Kenya, they have been graduating, and even those intake to a year walimu. Even when the closing is only for about 1 week, like last August, we met an environment that was more user friendly. That week was for examination, and we agreed with teachers every evening, every morning before they go to school. We could start classes as early as 5 in the morning. We could start classes as late as 5, so that we extended through a Zoom platform. So finally, they never lost. I think then you would regret a promotion. So we have a Masters of Education for those who would want to do that. We have a Master of Education in early childhood. The terms are the same. We have a postgraduate diploma in education. For example, when we science, I train maybe maths and biology or chemistry or economics and so forth. You have a postgraduate diploma of education. Per semester standard 5,000. Do a Bachelor of Education Arts and Science and ECD. Both of them full time is 38. School based to get 27,500. US Chinkasana. A diploma in teacher education tobwat egento gekoro kwanga KCSE AC plus fee 16,000 full time na school based 14,000 ejin diploma in teacher education taking into consideration ya bantu baminto bonspi nga P1 ya bet scrapped. So whoever is struggling to think of P1 teyo go struggle and the diploma we over that
qualification ye diploma bo ECD ingenelie
a diploma is C+. Because we are talking of education terms, lakini akarowa you get to go to P1,
yes,
especially kwa what C, and then you can qualify.
Oh,
because you are a C and you are P1, you can qualify.
Okay.
But balibatabu ya TVO, they have to get C+ straight.
Okay.
Like TSC ra balike. Because we don't want to try. Then to what again to talk rokanga ECD diploma. ECD one diploma, what get diploma in teacher education, you want C+, ECD diploma KCSE C.
Okay.
You know, there is a
C plain.
A C plain.
Was also a P1 certificate.
Was also a P1 certificate.
To do a diploma in the ECD.
Exactly. Or to a ECD certificate. Full time, the diploma is 16,000.
Oh.
Then certificate get 14,000. ECD certificate is D+. KCSE, you got 14,000 full time, 12,500 school based. Then that's a big school for us, school of education, and it's popular because the people who have been trained from there. If you find them in schools, most of the principals there would always want to train them even before they get their TS numbers. You go get very popular. Then we have school of business, as where we intend to start a PhD in business management. We intend. And we intend because we have not started. Of course, the minimum qualification will be master degree, irrelevant. And once this intention is done, because we are looking at it from January, then we are talking of 70,000. I'll assure you without contradicting a university, your agenda was for PhD at term 70. You was Miyamoto Kuchiko?
Lakini muchiko yibeka 70.
To what the Masters of Science in Business Administration, both regular and distance learning options. Regular is 60,000 per semester. Open distance learning you get 40. Now there is this notion when you have an evening class. An evening class does not mean you are doing open distance learning. An evening class is a regular course. Because you go kurwegasi it's not really part time. It's full time, but with a lot of flexibility. To target the ones on Mamarogoba, digere or catch up because you do the same hours like someone near learn Monday to Friday. Our Yokochaka 5 to 9 in the evening or at night. So you will be covering the same hours and so forth. Although it extends up to Saturday or Sunday. So that you can fully
evening classes. Now deal, okay.
Which of course we do as a senior citizens here, our colleagues. We don't call them to the campus. We do what we call Zoom, dedicated Zoom. Tali Zoom we yogo kubeka chibando.
Yes.
Endless even for one day. So that's a dedicated Zoom. Then yes. Then we have a Bachelor of Commerce. It's a school of business, which is quite popular. Bachelor of Commerce, we have options like accounting.
Yes.
We have options like finance. We have options like insurance. We have options like taxation, which are very popular. Full time is 38,000.
Yes.
Because currently we don't have Odell, school based, but we have full time at 38,000. Then we also intend to start a Bachelor of Business in business management. And then, which also will charge the same, but qualification is C+ and relevant diploma. Bachelor of Information Technology is one of our popular courses because we are talking of we are in the era of technology. A era of technology no yankari no yamamumino. Now when I understand ngano enesi media konyororo orora matero. No enesi media konyororo mpesa. It is technology in use. Abantu bamanyete bintu imono n'abantu bakoleta IT. IT you can be employed, goes over self-employed. It will depend on your quality, your target. And I've always been telling you, people like Bill Gates who manage this world of IT but you know they are the guys who matter most. Getting to go to me akasiringi akatonyesa. Kare nunato kwana iga wetrembe igarumete siringi ya mutamanyiti. So directly we are taxed. In America, they know how they work. So IT is a popular course. is 30,000 a degree full time, 16,000 a diploma, 14,000 a certificate. Bachelor of Business Information Technology is also has the same qualifications. Normally, abantu understand it. You see, like last time, we had so many confusions during elections. We were talking of servers.
Yes.
The only people who understand that language, now abantu IT.
Yes.
Where we deal with things like cloud computing. Now, the better ya change, if it's 80, it can turn it to be 8,000. You know, that's where it can be very impressive. But although with a full of mistakes, because again you are manipulating the world. These are the people who can do that. Or robots, if you have heard of robots.
Exactly.
That's all IT issues. Then, of course, we have other diplomas in School of Business. We have Business Management. We have Supply Chain Management, Human Resource Management. We have Taxation. And then, of course, many others, which, of course, I can talk about next time. A minimum is KCSE, C minus. And then for a certificate is D. Again is 16,000 and 14,000. And I thank those viewers who taken it last week because already I've got 3 of them. I want to join at diploma level. Of course, and I've even changed it from other campuses.
Yes, sir.
So which again is good for us. And the promising cover is quality. The next school is School of Arts and Social Sciences. We have a Masters of Public Administration and Account Governance, which we intend to start shortly, because already the program is on the moving. The fee will be 60,000 per semester, 40,000 for open distance learning. But again, this is a very popular program because again, it's popular especially to the chiefs, to the MCAs, because it's more relevant to what they are doing in terms of day-to-day
Yes.
We have Masters of Arts in History, which is starting a very popular course. And for history teachers, you don't need to do a Masters in Education. When you have your combination as Bachelor of Education in Arts, History Kiswahili. I would recommend that you go for History, because History at one time we are quite history at the same time we don't have historians. You are great guys. Master of Arts in Geography is the same. Geography is as good as a cake, is as good as a gold. Yani a gold, because meta geography, ogote wanga nincho mosacha buli, nincho mongina buli.
Yes.
Bono nincho na asomire kabisa na ende ngoja kokonya. So geography, abana, I would even tell those who are in Form 4, don't run away from geography, don't run away from history. Lakini moye mguchi kora guchigoro. Kenya is the place to watch, because you can get your Masters of Arts in History, you can get your Masters of Arts in Geography, and do them very comfortably.
Yes.
Ebesa, you get 60 full-time, 40 open distance learning. We intend also to start Masters of Arts in Linguistics. Nairo is the same amount. And to get the Bachelor of Arts in Community Development, where we have a lot of students now, including here one way to go to Amanyagetinga, and even before. They have even graduated. About a minimum, of course, for those who may not be qualifying directly, is still C+, goes to a relevant diploma before. It's 30,000 full-time. To the Bachelor of Arts, which we intend to start in International Relations and Diplomacy, which we intend. Nairo, a fee, get a 38, a diploma 16, a certificate 14. Ona rigaro cheko ile biroko mune bya babo gito bongeri chiam spokesman usechi ambassador baba kuzitoa twalire mono.
Exactly.
So you can be a lucky fellow when you are such a kind of degree. To what Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and Grant Governance, a year kobiara kosego to ibolera abana ba jokora Masters in Public Administration and Governance in Nakwana. For the degree, it's a popular one, it's a new one. Because many governments, they talk about county, they talk about governance. Relevant diploma, na beko koiro, go say KCSE, C+. A fee is 38 for full-time, 16 a diploma, 14 a certificate. Do a Bachelor of Arts in Criminology and Security Management, which begins next year. Nairo, again, the relevant diploma, KCSE C+, do a 38 full-time, 30,000 degree, 16,000 a diploma, 14,000 a certificate. Then, of course, to development studies, to the Bachelor of Science in Health Records and Information Management, which belongs to the School of Health Sciences, which is beginning next year. a C plus narrow minimum qualification or a relevant diploma, but again we go to 30,000, 16 a diploma, 14 a certificate. Social work and community development nere kubiara antology okore degree ya social work and community development akwana a diploma ya is more even flexible kusotu a C minus. For certificate we go to a D plane, doesn't matter much. Then to get a diploma in counseling, psychology, which is a very popular one, and this one terminating ane abana boka no pastors ababago chabakwa na inuga abange bagwenta beyond the breaching iribago to savera bagwenerete bakolinga tokoroka batu are chinguru chiwo kanso abantu. You know, there's a different kusabera omuntu como kanso.
Yes.
Como te biringa na lia nyasaye na como sauli nga mangana ya nama bagokora because ye bituko byabeire. Tuatwalira mangana amanga amabe tuatwera abanyabibe. Apart from a priest go say a preacher and also the church minister ko kote mangana
wenda ko yobo kombere ma onyole chibesa
to kunya kutunda kerengaki kogwa to bulema to kunya kurara isiko kerengaki kogwa tebuo. So there is a lot of teaching on this.
Yes.
So ndo again school of people and applied sciences as to what school one of the upcoming one nero the umbrella itokuruka ye university ye kurukwa nero egetekeronga kiko associated with.
Yes.
Bachelor of Science in Dry and Agriculture. Asoko nyoranga even when it's dry you need to have your food. We have now introduced in collaboration with the Food Agriculture Organization, area based in Rome, and in support with the national United Nations, we are running vertical farming. We are running what we call smart agriculture, and our students are among the top claim because they participate a lot. Na endengo konywa bale na chisarakali changumbu ko yanda attachment to countries like Cameroon, and also because of COVID they were supposed to go to Europe. Koranga kia basungu ba kulema, and that's why I said munondigerere tiga igonkoliri nagu nanyora paka chinchugu asichinchugu chitaka beire chikwama sare dry. Miogo, we have cassava, miogo to kunyo keke gusi. Miogo muna bono taka no energy gunibere ayaga ijoru chibe sango tebi galima pako bekerenchira ba utanga kolentere. We do better than places like Kukuri and Western.
Nyole toko kondetere bake watermelon.
Paka chu watermelon na kolentere last time. There is nothing literally to tabu at maybe to maybe sambe na bongo samba no dryland.
Yes.
Abongo yeka 3 years in a year. A fee ya dryland agriculture is 30,000 for full time. Do about the Bachelor of Science, which is anytime coming up, analytical chemistry, relevant diploma and tweet goes to a KCSE plus. A fee is 38, 16 and 14, meaning 38 degree, 16 a diploma, 14,000 a certificate. Then of course we have courses like general agriculture, about building and construction, technology. Ejio mwana okanga aganya olete diga gwete no nyora no ogende building and construction amina elita chiri ya Kenya.
Yes.
Because you have a certificate and this certificate here go practice ala kono rachitanda chinana kwalika engineer. Bono lendenga mpaka anatuta regulating kwa korete course hii. Food and beverage ne course yendengia. Catering is course yendengia and to theatrics, and we will be starting a very strong school of health sciences. Ego program ya public health and nursing. So I think
wakwani chikosi nyingi sana. Ikonkoli kimole abanafunzi mangana TVET.
And what I would also assure bagusiba minto. Kara abana bayino bachire university bako batebinga mukokora bari other extra courses. Basapoti. One of those extra courses ndawa advice bono iga for those who are doing commerce courses na mo correct course ya CASNEP. CASNEP means okore CPA 1, 2, 3 to 6. You would have covered all the stages and go buata commerce. Yongo tenga munoko kende field aina kiru mundata kitekolika because you would have done a lot of theory in class. You would have done a lot of practical during your other hours. If we are a center for CASNEP, we are a center for TVET. So, the advantage again he'll be having when he's graduating, he'll get 2 certificates. He has one for TVET, he has one for CASNEP, he has won for the university.
Ntano, yes,
The way,
examination.
if you people, what I'm trying to say, if you have not understood, if you today your daughter goes to a medical school, nechebe ngambusongoga, nechebe even is a private medical school, igakwa certificate ibere, may private medical school, ne KMTC. That is what exactly happens.
Exactly.
That's what that's an advantage. Ngakalojiko yemeremo, yani what certificate ibere, may support it yende. Thank you.
Asante sana mwancho mwatikali we radio ya sayale kwa igule amange ayo Professor Constantine na eresire igoro ye university eyiga ya Lukenya onye kubwateli swali linde ande yake uratake kubolia aigase studio namba yitonere on nabogo twakire simi 0785 92 23 00 0785 92 23 00 nabogwaka simigocha igase studio oboliri swali ande yake uratwara sembro ya bono elio Professor achikuliranelya igoro ye school ya Lukenya University ntete kora bwata chisimi gusontomera SMS na bongo soma aigase studio mbiole. Yes mbiole.
Mwana na mondo konda mja na nguru
mondo motambe
mara ko bole mwana na jiru ndi ko ko ro mangana were ndi kono ndi na no yo mo ko mara tam mangana were ndi kwa to bo ma lakini na boli wa sembo ni tamti mara kararia na pu ko mara ko ro ma ndi mo kuganga ya mangana.
Okay, asante ko chero ko ireneya gochiale go kwirana 0785922300 ngakire simi gochega se studio na kuboliri swali ekogana no tore na Professor yule Efaiz Chancellor we University ya Lukenya no ndenere aigase studio onye kubwateli swali linde lyonsi nabo agochigo kwiranelia asemrogo yabono na ndabo gontomera SMS 0725124156 kabre yugo elinde inchi ko soma maswali ayo murabe mugotoma gochega ase studio. Kulinde Professor motegereri oyo gabolinga na koleta magana a welding gwembulo imula abantu bakolete chikosi ekyo eliyo kurwa maigiri gochesa banafunzi ase University ya Lukenya.
Ambiamono aso yo boliria na koleta welding lakini I'm suspecting ndali negasi yakulia odongo korale gas. Welding as a program nturaye chaka but the simple advice inda manya nyoro so meta via kabisa up to diploma level and or a very good trainer and am request yale nte bintu bia ga radio sayar momote bia semura kora kana manya ne kya atanga rende ngano uri mutambe kora kana mumma yete kama mure mutambe and inchendi ke bintu bia and I would advise him to write a course ya welder erabuye kari ke certificate course that we look at it and if the clients are already trained because we must get the clients,
yes,
then we can allow him to muligerie gasi at train abana because I cannot employ him, for example, atabu ati nda jokora. So we must get something else jokora. So if it's a course of welding na rokolike certificate and then you get degree, that's even better. Ali get diploma.
Okay.
Yes, then I use konyorega.
Yes.
Lakini ande we kali ya wanafunzi.
Ase University ya Lukenya indi mogotwara chini tech yani banafunzi bagosoa bacha kama somo bene
mbia mono ine kushiningia sana na ande nkolengiyo tu bagoge kwana chini tech chaito 3 times in a year intake ya mo munabona toko igora tare 3 yera be Monday next week intake intangani abana ujaka gogocha ba ujaka tare 6 bonsi pi. That they will learn from January mpaka April. Akora matembachenka the next intake egego chaka umutinyo gatano, that is May, and then it goes up to August, early August. The third intake igere ya September mpaka December, around 12th. Now if you look at that, you know watch a degree today. If I'm giving an example, it means in 1 year you would have done 1 year and another semester, or 3 terms, meaning 2 terms is equal to a year. Then the other term you go into second year. So if you go the following year, that is 23, then it would mean by April 23 you would have finished 2 years. By December of the same year, you would have done your 3 years. So the following year, which is 24, by August, you would have gone away from our university and graduated the same year. Meaning 2.5 years, you are done. For a diploma, is even less.
Okay, asante
That's an
sana.
example.
Okay, asante sana, asante sana. Wairibia. Yes, Wairibia.
Yes, kwenda como Kenya.
Biole tata.
Uyaandike jimanga ndimwenderete.
Ya mbiandike baba.
Ande. Owa tajire jinse.
Yes.
Kere kopte. Tumera gini ntubuga tetekiambo. Ore tinguga media valente marvavengia.
Kirigese no tegerete no manyete ngitwaga kwane ire nturange ya kuganirania maya. 0785922300 kuwa kesimi manyanga nkikigendera se radio omane kuwaka esimi noti sana bire sana sate sana kene bire sate noti namba tukutumeke ga studio kubwatiri swali oraboli professor iga studio nabo agukwiranire ogega muitongo kurikiza bucha busanza akotebanga nabagenderete gutubwati naba aigweta mangana yekisemi asante sana Joshua abere kurwa nyaisamanga nigo mbwatete mu ruberio obwekisemi oikamwa kolira asante sana Gladys kurikiza busheke umbu agoteba no ali meye radio yaseli bire bigabya abono margo asante sana Dominic Ondieki numongina oye lidia kurikiza bushime angara agoteba nabo mbaigwete na professor abwo ase studio ebiro ebiga byabono margo bonyo kubwateliswa nabo gotolikira kuse otwakire esimi yes bwairebya waire
captain ira nimembo
captain
naganinga ndijabantu bagukyo marvavengia
captain igento kegendreta ase radio neke ngao na aya na makwani otete gutuma bono margo
sasa
okay tete kora bwatu kogotero komo tete kora bwatu kogotero komo kwa St Matthews Kiambori tete kora bwatu kogotera okomo ase ebire biga bya bono margoba waire
bia
tata
era como inaki udo ai kwati branch yalo kayana tiyan kamba sera
sawa ngochiare gukwiraneria 0785922300 nyakubwateli swali urabuli professor nabo gwaka esimi gosoto tumere SMS elinde achi gukwiraneria nyuma tutarakora chi program chilituko lia alero niko na onara gotebanga niko na mini grade ya D+ naweza fanya course gani professor inkiora mu advice yoyo amo okwane no yo boliringa mubwate branches asarongo lwa gusibuna Kenya University
mbia mono riswali rinerigia oyo minto anengo wakera mbia mono gutwara interest ya kuma wazendu what branches I can say yes to what branches a branch one thing when to manya branches no maria a minister no the other however because of that center to bwate depending on where you are kiana bora umugusio taribusi the nearest center to bwate igera tinduru nduru gere Nyamarambe no Nyamarambe igere Gucha sub county but specifically igere for holiday based ya balimu and then for regular igere for abantu bakora governance na county government simply because of the chiefs and the MCAs iyo ego company ego sawa paka sakuru kunya Koroma Bay ego sawa paka Ndiwa because currently sente ni wata wanafunzi yanga 170 akawa managed ne coordinator eko kusakaria yenda but for purposes of information later you will be told ngangu usakaria yenda east the nearest center again if you are in Nairobi igera at Machakos asa between Machakos and the river where we have what we call Chisukuru Chialu Kenya again that one is also for school based esaba alimu another center ebwate more than that igere Mandera we are also starting as Mandera and Garissa is about 800 kilometers biamono
okay oyo bwate D+ nkosikie arakole kwa mu advice
oyo D+ depending on which D+ yakona nyole na ndarore but meanwhile a D+ qualifies for all the certificates whether it's a certificate in general agriculture,
Okay.
a certificate in building and construction, a certificate in community development, a certificate in ICT, a certificate in agriculture, and all other certificates talk over, he qualifies.
Okay.
And the D plus is not a bad grade, it's a health grade. People get D plus, move up to become professors. So it will depend on how you are looking at things. Because after D plus, if you have a certificate, it covers that. You will use it to join. You will use the certificate to join a diploma, or use a diploma to join a degree, or use a degree to join a masters, or use masters to join PhD.
Okay, asante sana uliobolia obwate D+ ase matemo form 4 naboko kora course ndio lakini go chakire kengo kilitokuruke certificate kwa mana gukina guchiguru kwa diploma wa kore degree kwa na masters guchiguru gabo onye kubwate diswali twakere simigo chega se studio 0785922300 elinde professor akore diswali ekarodo chenga nigo tubwaje daika chinke sana gukole program yeito aiga ase studio ebiro ebiga byabona margo onye kubwate diswali gose kubwate ingana linde igoro yi University ya Lukenya tuwakire simigo chaiga ase studio kulende tigatoranyoro kwatero kwega ko tebe nyangi gotera gotena St Matthews ekia ambori bunankwira naiga nimbwate chisimi chinde igoro ya mangana tugende tukwana aiga se studio radio sere ko batirungo byemye mona biri kintu cyenke adeli italiana nkuru kwa zado komo Kenya cheptugera kemero gibiri guri chisi sato chabona murugo bekero tugenda tukwana na magana chisemi na Lukenya University asembwate vice chancellor wa university yo Professor Constantine Matoke.
Tune into your favorite Christian station.
Sayare FM.
Sayare FM, a station with a vision.
Thank you.
Sayare
FM, a station with a vision.
Sayare
FM, a station with a vision. Unasikiliza sauti ya rehema, stesheni yenye maono. Tune into your favorite Christian station. Sauti ya rehema. Sayare FM, a station with a vision.
Sayare
Sauti ya rehema. Unasikiliza sauti ya rehema, stesheni yenye maono. Unasikiliza sauti ya rehema, stesheni yenye maono. Tune into your favorite Christian station.
Sayare
Yes, okote ruku kwa ruli ase embeo ni kokote na St. Matthews Kiambori kokote banga enyangi, yani enyangi tiga esikwe na ewe esiko ya yokote ruku no wa St. Matthews Kiambori watu gire keberongo ebere na isano na ibere uri chisisatu chebono morogoba ekroto gendere tukwana na professor aiga ase studio tuakiresi migocheka ase studio 0785922300 onya kobwate li swali linde lyonsi oratake kuboli professor nabo ogotwakire ya university ya Lukenya nabo gotoboli li swali aiga studio otutumire SMS 0725141516 notisana bibiri sana ya mubiri ya moisana sana nabo gotutumire li swali gocheka studio so twakire sim 0785922300 elinde tukurinili ase enchira ya bene kora professor no alega nyuma atarachi soka professor ase school eyiga ya Lukenya ne lazima gose nebeterere tingo mwana
nima yetenga mono ntumanya kitinga yoko norato chukwa rule ego juka I would have preferred that another 15,000 is done kwa noranga kwa call kwa ikire 30.
Yes,
now we would have finished 10 weeks so that you are 40,000 chiare abo yo orwe kiagara nima yetenga ngutwara mura bokong lakini renda bokong no bwaito kero muntu no bokong asomerete na means chiogo cha seito mata na bata Lukenya ntobwate transport from Kisii ubijiko andijiko kuchenjijiza ya Mombasa so that directly kwangena on the way waikirangoro.
Okay, asante sana koba oyole vice chancellor wa university ya Lukenya nabo ekonyalekana nga tubwati ekerengo keligi school fee yeisamine lakini orule example nye ekosige kweronye 40 kwali kwa kane semester nabo koraira 15 elinde eochaka masomo kwana koire chinde pole pole ka ekere semester go chakwera kwa sangenga naye gwatabukirite ngo lyo gwakana enibo ye school ekogaranigo bakwera na chikosi
D minus D minus nabago kore certificate ya catering. Yes.
Igona bako so school. So musobati ulio tobolia nga mwana o nabwate D minus na bako.
Cha bintu bya ore aiga radio sayal.
Igo.
Agotige kororo. Tomote kya kora.
Chole tabono chi certificate application siauga ochibeke kapise paso chisil na bochiwika Lukenya University aiga seridia sele gotoka aiga sumuchukisi amagacho ahema lirongo lia akabere esenta yinungwa kwa mangana nduru girls ko senduru boys bona kiataka kumanyanga yesenta yemene
skuru tokoran during the holidays ega otokonyara tokorani bilas education asenduru girls bara official officers ego jire junction ya kogenda nduru girls ang neighbors na nati office asokonyo record wa ego karansa ekoro kwa sakari ya yenda. And during COVID, we had even a room that could accommodate about 25. No chief chianga somera, ne CMC bali bakora ekosikorokunga governance and administration. So for purposes of holiday based, we link with Nduru girls to asomeria bano.
Asante sana iko Nduru girls igabuna kwa igule kwa ene liguli swali eliao. Timatinga ondenaro bwatali swali 0785922300 nere nambango tumeka igase studio ngakira ngesimi na kubwatali swali orabolie professor na noli okunya koirora ko like SMS twatebanga kubwate D+ na bogokora kosi ende yonse lakini gochakirwa keliye isira bodo chokale kulika SMS nyingi sana kubwate D+ na bogokora kosi ende yonse lakini gochakira kerengo ki certificate komana ko gede diploma komana ko gede degree gochiguruka masters komana ko gede gochiguruka kabisa gabwacha kukora PhD dengo na ende na aligeli SMS endega ngakirange simi 0785922300 tete kuba simi birega cyo mwalyo nge professor alibaga kwanengana ya yo mwalyo kurwase university ya Lukenya University 0785922300 namba gutumekonyo kubwate li swali lindi lyose nabo waka esimi linde professor akoirenelie aiga ase studio.
Omotegereri nomanyetenga Lukenya University nero yuka egotieli abana.
Yes, waibia. Okay, ya butokire
somo asekrengo kigoro wetera ogokora chikosi ao Lukenya University nigo ekorikia aboro kigwa ase chintunda isatu kiro mwaka umutinyo mutangani uyo gatano amono yukianda bono elikie rero elinde ase eineteke kubwatia osoe klasime na gosoma elindo chikwe konya ase amatuko agocha. Lukenya University nigo egotuka se sub county ekorokunga Kibwezi East imeye county ya Makueni chikilomita nkego kurwa somo chomone o Nairobi chikilomita chimibere na 50 nebere wose chikilomita chimibere na 40 kurwa ase omochi Mombasa University ya Lukenya chikosi ekwena na nigo chikubwatia Master of Education in ECDE, Postgraduate Diploma in Education, Bachelor of Education Arts Science at the ECDE, Diploma in Secondary Education, ECDE Diploma. Nkwana nabale certificate ya ECDE, PhD in Business Management, Master in Business Administration, Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Business, Bachelor of Information Technology. Ekosi endeke korokunga Business Management, Supply Chain Management, Human Resource Management, Master of Arts in Public Administration and Account Governance, Master of Arts in History, Master of Arts in Geography, Master of Arts in Linguistics, Bachelor of Arts in Community Development, Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and Account Governance, Bachelor of Arts in Criminology and Security Management, Social Work Community Development, Bachelor of Science in Dryland Agriculture, Bachelor of Science in Analytical, ekosiende nabokosomera Chemistry, Bachelor of Science in Health Records and Information Management, chikosi chinde nigo chikubwatia General Agriculture, Building and Construction Technology, Food and Beverage, Hospitality and Tourism Management, Certificate in Information Technology. Lukenya University nigo ekwena na chikosi wochia ase aboro kiwa ase rigoli ise kegema minyoka na kweli kiatoti wa magega ase university emanyakaretenga Lukenya University minyoka ase obwango. Tonyole wetera enamba yesimi 0791 44 40 00 0791 44 40 00 wasena mbendeni gere 0790 44 40 00 0790 44 40 00 nana bokutukire kwetera email address ere info@kenyauniversity.ac.ke wasotonyole kwetera a website yaito www.kenyauniversity.ac.ke nincho elinde osome ase university yaito ya Lukenya oche gwekonya ase amatuko agocha. Lukenya University nigo egotoka ase sub-county ya Kibwezi East imeye county ya Makueni kilomita 252 kurwa se omochi o Nairobi gose kilomita 240 kurwa se omochi omone o Mombasa. Minyoka elioche gwekonya.
Yes, asante sana. Karoto gendere chi program cheito aiga ase studio chise chiga cha abono morgoba chabuto kede kemerongene na ibire huri chise satu cha abono morgoba niko tukere tukwana na professor karoto kuchikukora chi program cheito aiga ase studio professor tetoko kwali baga kwane ngana yawo yomweli igoro ya Lukenya University na hano to ida mayesi mebali bagotaka kugwikera bagwakere na hobate byinjira bagoswase university ya Lukenya lakini ngento gelito kutangaza kuruiga ase studio buna mwabere mo koleta chi form chino na mo kugenda koleta chi form chino chi application chiko genda ase university ya Lukenya gugwa chikiriga asamagacho ahema igaso mu cyukisi lirongo lya kabere nabo chigwika ase university ya Lukenya kugeraga no chi form echo chi igwikiwa aigase omochi okisi biyole. Yes mbiyole waire bye kya baba yo ningo kya wapange bye kya baba asante sana biyole ngakyo kwata yabanga kyo kurukwa
ndiye nare mbongi ya magena mabongo wate tu ya kwana nori
ngakyo kurukwa
kwana aro tayari FM.
Okay. Mbiyole?
Nenda mweka msema kama utirangenyo. Abuwate uyoga chini tilizano na.
Okay, asante sana. So nya kubwato mwana okoira Lukenya University toretera chi form chaye aigasa bagacho ahema lirongo lya kabiri na obisi tu ya sayari gotoka abuno tokotoka nabo ogotoletera elinde professor achinyole kurwaro achire ase school ya Lukenya University de school erengia ekoigeria abana abaito ama somo ale equality engia ya abene kolende tagete kwana na chinamba chesime chiyura abe kugwaka no nyeza kari ayendo yo gotoka chesebe cha South Mugrango nere nabo okumonyora na chinamba echo ase chirebene aiga ase studio namba abe kugwaka 07 17 69 83 03 akaruta tokogera Lukenya University go say University ya Lukenya 0717 wasotaka gukora ni kwa yarinde yose 0717 69 83 03 0717 69 83 03 yani noti sana bire ya moisano ibire sana na mukianda sana isatu enoti sana ibire ya moisano ibire sana na mukianda sana isatu enoti isatu wose yende ya Zakari 07 2803 88 83 0728 03 88 83 Zakari ayenda chinambecho nabugwaka elinde ukwane eyamase yamo igoro yokutaka kumanya mange igoro ya Lukenya University. Professor ngana yawo yamwelio
mbiamono nkwira deka chinkewe sebono agento kubatebia nugusentaba inyuri abaminto Lukenya University like Canada University awana konora bari chibesa chikurukunga cha help konyora bari cha CDF basari konyora bari basari yo mo council yo mo MCA konyora bari basari ye governor now au konganchira ndra kora ngire jida ikanga isa tunkunya baminto na undra wa ngokoboli question ase bali bategerete ndata kenkwani sokoro yane uinganchite mono mugako gorokunga aisa kungutu manganga kurwari kiamboli amona bamu aba Mikaeli ba makanga bonsi nkwani my students abari chichi bana baya ngobaruka banafunzi Benjamin Obutu Moruye Okumu Ombui abu currently ba ko degree ya governance and administration ande nko nganyore barobago koran kinwa bana bakimota somere nkwa ni ridia nkwa no seko nkwa nairin nkwa noteyo au na bande au bonsi ba graduate kurwororo ande nko batebinga batuare chinguru bagenderere nkwa ni abasani bane dagra sonkeo uyo kubuli chikura kurwa North Mugirango kabiru mwanafunzi ono myamono eta rogoroga manyire nga gakorukwa ngali akorukuli sosa Dennis Makori uyo kuruksonko kurwa South Mugirango era nkumukwania nkolengia na ibo na wate professionals ene nkorangi ko ibanga kale rigere aminyo kenere geti umwakonde ngukwani George Ogaro oyoro mwana minto maneno muya Dr. Nyakundi Nyamboga mwana minto yonde nkwani Godfrey nkwani Didacus nkwani Jane nkwani Ongwenyi and above all nkwani mama Nora Mungina oyo Nyasancha litukoria rero okore miaka ya ochako mwaka 76 na nkwani Mwanchione Dr. Gladys Oseko nkwania Emilio nkwania Samantha nkwani Claire nkwania abana ba mintanga bonsi pina abanda ntakole babo Feristas bonsio babo Jane asibabe ta chingongo chiagusi naende kweterayo nkwani abasani bana bonsi pi muna babo Josai senior chief babo Mogaka abagaka bonsi pi bali banganje tunande bamaidonye konsabira naende michiri abantu bonsi pi abantu basireire babwata matanga babwaterero na mambi anko bakera pole especially muna bagocha kogenda mambi kolera omwalimu ali Kiamboli okurukunyamboga naende galindurwa primary ensemo sokoreana naro zirete okurukwanga David Mosoti era ngwakira bali baja gocha mbasabiri safari engia na abantu bonsi pia babayenda sebabeta baba Lumumba Martin omwalimu Kisi University bonsi pia sebabeta igenda nga dule nainwe ande isigoro yichisemi tumanya ine esauli mwanje techisemi ande ngonya kwa sawanga ayo mwalimu Lumumba tebya bana basome Samuel yondi pongesi ngwa tuma bana Lukenya University abange mauti magoyiri retired chief ngwa tuma abantu abange uchiali skuru bacha kusoma na bali bonsi pipanchi Lukenya stokunya gukwana above all nkwani Father Timothy mwakerengo yamono butukobuya Father Timothy gare father ya Bishop Mugendi Kegogi na rongo semisa yalengerera so kusabira umungina na Father Chastas Nyamarambe na above all nkwani engineer Nyatundo na abantu bonsi pitingo nyara gukora naende nkwani umwana mintora at close range oyore director ya Kenya National Qualifying Authority okoro kujoni Nyangweta kusejoni Osoro Nyangweta oyo ntegerete kwa karibu sana ngonya kwa masovera maya nga tigasome na roto somi CBC agatosomi gore ya Qualifying Authority naende into as abalimu we are supporting what the government itaketokora so long as you fulfill their big four agendas and then of course yabagusi ekatokote bagurisem tuba empower digere kiagera ntubu atia malemo ntubu atikende gyonsio ekaramu yaito nechisemi obutaka bwito mogoteba nechisemi kiagera karole informed you become a better person ncharateko kulia karole informed lakini karote utali informed naboko no ekerege ntubako buli muwa wesbi because you are not informed. So every listeners of mine next week need to a break because we are opening. I will come after next week.
Okay.
So I'll not be there. I hope nge karongo chagocha ninje kwa tebinga abana baino bayikire buya bali muangete and samako kama yabo albale na bali moja kwenda form ninjioi mba admission so that Lukenya tuasonga mbele na nyinyi pamoja mbasabere once again abayiri bana bons pia semwabeta butukobuya ndino bomayane yanko yanes ongut sebedeo na antegerete mautuwaro na antegerete abamwa bomongina na abaminto bonsi bibabo giranga bonsi pini ndatamaliza tingokora nimba anchete na indumonya mbanje nimba anchete na indumonya anchete na antari abagirango boka at my level bagusibonsi pimo nganchete na inje nimba anchete na nginya ko batenga mwako ndimna toko sororo ndo chaka kurwanirire birogo tigatochore person because of personality imaria talingesa uli umwanjira yako etongiro sitomara nge tongiro tayo konya tigatuancho mundu tomaitenga mambi ngoko konyare in a way to a value in the society. A very good evening. Thank you.
Asante sana Professor Constantino Matoke Kurasi University Elia Lukenya nero yo ukwandira magana mange ga bote biri next week tako bakolende ikiri kuruse na ache ko baigega kwenda kushughulika igoro yoko igora Lukenya University mbali ngene direct kurwa ase kiombe kilia Kenya National Qualifying Authority ndugu nchwako gochaiga lindora tukwania loche no monto mane sana Professor Keso bwate direct aganta banyetiti kangera kwani bakusiba ito ase nchira ya bene jise chiga chabo nomorogoba kurwa sekiombe ya Kenya National Qualifying Authority. Karibu sana ndugu ngakyo kurugwa.
Njenkoro ku Dr. John Osoro Nyangweta. Ngokorana actually ngokone Ministry of Education and the Department of Technical Education.
Yes.
Lakini wale they deployed as a Kenya National Qualification Authority.
Gano gokole gasi. Ngike mugodiri na kirogyo.
Kenya National Qualification Authority ego dina registration and accreditation of qualification which are as a basic yagenda TVET then yagenda university.
Kwani rango igoro ya TVET kidogo.
So no TVET TVET one TVET is a acronym. Like no kona TVET is technical vocational education and training. Igo tokuru dokumanaji TVET institutions.
Yes.
Echikire tuchake bichicha nkuru ku vocational training centers.
Yes.
Echitokoro kadero vocational training village polytechnic.
Yes.
Na chibwana after undergoing what we call as branding. One chikuru ku vocational training centers. Alafu tupate technical vocational colleges. Na chibwana cha nkuru ku vocational colleges kare. Alafu ndio tupate national polytechnics.
Yes.
Chiti kutoka throughout the country. Chile 11.
Okay.
Yes.
Accreditation ekenki kemogudina kero kinki kemogo accredit. I don't understand.
As a Kenya National Qualification Authority, to accredit even to kurwase from the TVET side.
Yes.
TVET authority. It accredits qualifications. Actually programs. Then what we call as qualification is a product of programs. Abantu bali bakora this training. Iko bakora qualification.
Yes.
Iwo Kenya National Qualification Authority iko register accredit this qualification erinde yanyora international recognition.
Yes. Iko kire ntu kikageta ase mole.
Yes. Monya bana bako basomire isiko. Bago chabona ubocha Kenya we kwa bache Kenya National Qualification Authority banyanya kunyora recognition erinde banyara kunyora employment in Kenya. Yes.
Na kiora kwanira mangana ya masomo vocational na academic.
Bono asante sana ndugu Sadok for such
question.
Prudent question. Bono
igoro ya vocational na academic.
Asante sana ndugu Sadok. Bono into wate Kenya ya tuara endo tokoroga Kenya National Qualification Framework.
Yes.
Eyo recognize qualification kuru level 1 year certificate yamanya kwenda to level 10
yes.
year PhD. You want to what a framework which actually a link with the international framework in the world.
Yes.
Which was actually a recommendation from UNESCO. Yes.
Okay, asante sana. Nkiora tebya bana bali baito batotegerete bono moro saba iboli batotegerete kosi kichire chingi ya baratebya bana baba basome bache gwekonya sama tukagoche korwa dili na magana ya for long.
Asante sana ndugu Sadok. Mono konyora abantu abange usi na Kenya ngima.
Yes.
And generally globally. Abantu baye konya ko tabuna university education is not only key to success.
Exact.
But me, I will advise you now that TVET ya Kenya is the best of the best globally.
Yes.
She standard chetu chide where we recognize globally. Want to correct TVET in Kenya na bakwenda anywhere in the world ese njo jire anchored as a Kenya National Qualification Framework na bo mwana ko somaiga konyora hands-on skills no na mangana as studio ne bono sado ko kora oro chibonu no okunyo kubwati chimashini ejo kunyo gonjo kan chimashini ga here and there you want on skills
chiri okonyora
bono TVET ko
applied courses
onyaro hands-on skills komanya ku require the market. So without TVET, no go kwenda say to konya just theoretical skills. You will not be employed in the Kenyan market, only in the global market. But TVET go cover hands-on skills. You are and dons. You will not undergo further training. Also a job straight. Mna wana kwa so job hingi ya bona studio.
Asante sana. Mwancho mwategereri ngakitonyoria lieta yao na kwa ni babiri katokole program. Lieta linga kwata bokurukwa.
Jenko Dr. John Osoro Nyangweta. Ngoko na Ministry of Education.
Director of Technical Education. Bara akende bagoite bakwani yango babiri batatuiga.
Tian kwani nchake kokwani my elder sister. Ana Nyangweta. Ncheso no Nyangweta. Francisca Nyangweta. Na bona na professor bona na kwani Tianko na Professor Nyamboga.
Professor Constantino Ngomoroka Embara himself.
Dr. Nyamboga. Na ba onse bali bategerete babo my wife majia wife. Agnes Nyaboke. Iba ntegerete oloba. Na TVET fraternity. Asante sana. Mwacho mwategerere dia sel chaptuke dai kaire ngechi. 55 na ibire iguri yichise sato chibono muro wachatire dai kaisatu chirage chisa inye. Muro bili goba masomo wika iki ewocha.
Omotegereri nomanyetenga Lukenya University nerayuka egotieri abana asa masomo asekrengo kigoro wetera ogokora chikosi ao Lukenya University nigo ekorikia aboro kigwa ase chintunda isatu kero mwaka umutinyo mutangani uyo gatano amono yukianda bono elikie rero elinde ase eineteke kubwatia osoe klasime na gosoma elindo chukwe konya ase amatuko agocha. Lukenya University nigo egotuka se sub county ekorokunga Kibwezi East imeye county ya Makueni chikilomita nkego kurwa somo chomone o Nairobi chikilomita chimibere na 50 wose chikilomita chimibere na 40 kurwa ase omochi Mombasa University ya Lukenya chikosi ekwena na niko chikubwatia